Hello friends. Today I want to talk about a very important issue for every farmer: watercourse cleaning. Water is life for our crops. But when irrigation channels are dirty or blocked, both water and hard work are wasted. Over time, soil, weeds, and waste collect in water channels. This slows down water flow, causes leakage, and prevents water from reaching the last fields. As a result, crops become weak and farmers face losses. We cleaned this watercourse using simple tools and teamwork. All mud and weeds were removed, and the channel was restored to its proper depth. Now you can clearly see how smoothly the water is flowing. Watercourse cleaning brings many benefits. Heavy checkmark hash saves water. Heavy checkmark hash improves irrigation efficiency. Heavy checkmark hash reduces water loss. Heavy checkmark hash increases crop yield. Heavy checkmark hash supports sustainable farming. I request all farmers to make watercourse cleaning a regular practice. A small effort today can bring big results tomorrow. May Allah bless our crops and our hard work. Ameen. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical farming guidance. Thank you for watching.